All right, welcome back. So in this video, I want to talk about my vision, what I'd like to see happen, what I'd like to do with my agency with Spartan Insurance Network. So first I'd like to do is stop, collaborate, and listen. I don't know if you know where that lyrics are from, but probably dating myself by using that as on a PowerPoint. But what I want to do is collaborate with different agents. When I first started in the industry, like I said, nearly 10 years ago, there was a group of about 5 of us. We all went to the same sales school. We're all in different offices, different districts, different buildings, but we just kept in communication, just checked in with each other, like, hey, how's it going? Like, hey, how are you doing? And just kind of feeding off of each other, just collaborating with each other. Even if it didn't benefit each one directly, we still maintain contact. So that's what I want to do in a Facebook group is just be able to communicate with each other if we're struggling, if we're doing well, if we have questions. I mean, there's times where I've had a question about a policy, or I've had a client who they had situations where I wasn't sure which would be the best fit, and I know I had to call a couple different companies just to find out, and that could have been a question I could have just thrown out there into the group and said, hey, I got a 47-year-old smoker who has emphysema, what company do you recommend me writing with? And could have had instant responses from 2 or 3 different agents that are saying, hey, write it with this company because they do this, this, and this, or write it with this company with this because they do that. So I think that the more we collaborate, it's going to benefit each one of us, and that's what I want to do in the Facebook group. I want it to be an open communication for you to ask questions, get instant feedback to help you, and really to help the group grow. But also, too, if we want to really advance and get to the next level, we're going to need websites. And for the websites, it's not only going to be to educate customers about the different products and services we have, but just about ourselves. I think, right now with the way the industry is going and the way technology is going, a lot of people are buying directly off of websites. Right now, it's only about 2 to 4% of the industry are actually clicking to buy. That's all the e-insurance type companies, but it's going to keep growing. It's basically been doubling every year, so that means in 10 years, it could be 50% of the industry. So it's really important for us as agents to really get our foot in the ground with that. We really need to make our stance right now and be not just an insurance agent, but also just be a source of wisdom, source of people to have a voice to listen to when it comes about insurance products. So we'll definitely need that. Websites that not only generate leads, but do all those other things where they can educate and customers can buy directly from. Also, I think telesales is going to be pretty big, even though telesales has been around as long as telephone's been around. I think as more and more people are just used to doing everything from home, whether it's ordering from Uber Eats or ordering shoes online, I think they're going to want to be able to just buy their insurance from home, from the comfort of their home. And so I think team support is going to be really big, like I talked about in the Facebook group. If you're on the phone with a customer and they're asking questions that you may not know the answer to, just to be able to throw that up on the Facebook group and be able to get an instant response is going to be huge. So that's another reason I want to have that web page too. But also I believe that we're going to need multiple product offerings. I know in my career I've given away or not even given away. Some of the people, sometimes people would ask me, "Oh, do you sell car insurance?" I was like, "No, I didn't." If I didn't have a good referral partner, or people ask me, "Do I sell health insurance?" I think us as independent agents, we're going to definitely need to offer multiple products, whether it's retirement, disability, supplemental, dental, annuities, property and casualty, Medicare, health insurance. And definitely, I don't think we should be a jack of all trades. That's definitely not what I'm saying, because I don't think we'll ever get mastery. But maybe partnering with somebody who's really good at one of those products. But I do know that there's a lot of money I left on the table just by limiting myself to just one company, and definitely I learned from my mistakes. And like I said, I have companies right now that you could that do have click-to-buy websites that a customer can buy directly from, and I'll still get the commissions from. So I think moving forward, that's going to be the key for our survival and our thriving in as being independent agents. So But also too, as independent agents, we can sell non-insurance products, whether that's estate planning, legal protection, digital products. And digital products can be anything from selling, having a referral partner or joint ventures with somebody. If you don't know what joint ventures are, that's basically where you do a webinar and you kind of each pitch each other's products, and that way you can kind of collaborate and work off of each other's. Center of influence type, or digital center of influence, really, but also too using referral partners. Not only people in the financial industry like CPAs or different attorneys, but also realtors or loan officers, or people in the medical industry like chiropractors, doctors, even just even dentists also. So definitely a lot of room for growth for us, and I think this is why it's so crucial for us to be able to get more and more agents that make it past the 3-year mark. So we definitely want to put money in agents' hands as quick as possible. So that's what I want to know. So what's your dream? What's your goal? Does it align with the mission that I'm trying to create? And that's what I want to do, is I want to find like-minded people that we can just build a big, even if it's just a referral network, but definitely to be able to collaborate, get ideas from, but also grow as an industry and as an agent personally. So let's get out there and help people achieve their dreams. I believe what Zig Ziglar believes, you can have anything in life you want if you can just help other people get what they want. So thank you for your time. I'll provide a couple of links on these pages for you guys. Definitely connect with me, join my Facebook group. If you have any questions, you can message me directly. All right, thanks. Bye.